Hello students, in this video I will talk about one of the important topic in English, that is articles. So it is mostly used in the sentences, so we have to understand that it is one of the minute thing, ना एक basic चीज़ है आपका which we have to understand so that we can easily put these articles in the sentences, but we have to understand that what it is. So come to this part. So article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. It is used before the noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. So it is a demonstrative adjective. So it is adjective. Why we are calling it adjective? Because it is used before the noun. So if anything which is coming before the noun, so that is specifying. So it is telling something about a नाउन. तो किसी न किसी नाउन के बारे में अगर कोई स्पेसिफिकेशन हो रहा है आपका, या फिर दैट इट इज़ रेफरिंग समथिंग, सो इट मीन्स इट इज़ अ एडजेक्टिव. And why we are calling it a demonstrative? Because it is demonstrating or showing something about the noun. तो कहीं ना कहीं वो नाउन के बारे में आपका क्या कर रहा है, आपका डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन कर रहा है आपका. सो ऑन द सर्टेन कंडीशंस मीन स्पेसिफिकनेस और द जनरल कैटेगरी. तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपका दैट वी टॉक इन अ जनरल सेंस एंड समटाइम्स वी टॉक इन अ स्पेसिफिक सेंस. सो ऑन स्पेसिफिक एंड द जनरल सेंस वी हैव डिवाइडेड द आर्टिकल्स इनटू टू टाइप्स. तो आर्टिकल्स को आपका दो टाइप्स में डिवाइड करेगा आपका. सो वन इज़ डेफिनेट एंड अनदर इज़ indefinite article. So we will see about these two one by one. Just come to the indefinite article now here. So indefinite means is something which is not specific or which is not fixed, or we can say that which is actual. जिस चीज़ के बारे में हमें एक्चुअल पता नहीं होता आपका, it means that how many articles are coming in this category. So there are two articles which are coming in this. So these are A and N. So A or N is used to talk about things which are not particular. It means that we are not referring to them, वी आर टॉकिंग इन अ जनरल सेंस. तो अगर हम किसी चीज़ को जनरल सेंस के बारे में अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं आपका, इफ़ आई से दैट आई हैव अ बुक, so what it means that I am not talking about that which book is that which I am studying or which book that I have. So there is no specification of that book. So in such a cases we have to use indefinite article. Usually these are the things that have not been mentioned before, that listeners are unfamiliar with. So person does not know that what, ठीक है, that specific thing is that. तो वो स्पेसिफिकली कोई चीज़ नहीं होती है आपका. एंड इट इज़ अ वेरी जनरल रूल विच वी फॉलो इन दिस केस. सो वी ऑल नो दैट ए एंड एन इज़ यूज्ड विद द सिंगुलर एंड द काउंटेबल थिंग्स. सो दीज आर यूज विद द काउंटेबल जितने भी नाउंस होते हैं आपका, सो वी यूज़ विद दैम. एंड इट इज़ यूज्ड विद द सिंगुलर थिंग. सो अगर आपको दिखता है कि दैट इफ़ यू आर गेटिंग एनी थिंग विच इज़ सिंगुलर, so whatever the noun it is, whether it is coming in the starting means as a subject also, or if it is coming in the objective case या object के तौर पे आपका आ रहा है आपका noun, so we have to just use these that indefinite articles. So we have to just see also that what are the different rules which we have to follow. But before that we have to just see that definite articles also. So in definite articles, so there is only one word, that is the. So it is used before singular and the plural nouns. It means that the is used with both conditions, means it can be used in both cases, singular as well as plural. But indefinite article a or n cannot be used with the plural, they are used only with the singular nouns. Okay. And in this case you can see also one thing, that in both the cases it is used whether it is countable और अनकाउंटेबल. तो दोनों ही कैटेगरीज इसके अंदर आपका आ रही हैं. सो सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल ऑल्सो, एंड काउंटेबल एंड अनकाउंटेबल ऑल्सो. एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग विच इज़ कमिंग इन दिस indefinite article, that is specificness, or we can say that what is the actual thing or the noun we are talking about. So you can see that the dog, the wine, the butter. If I say that so this is the dog which bitten my friend. सो इट मीन्स दैट आई एम जस्ट स्पेसिफाइंग दैट यही वो डॉग है आपका विच हैज़ बाइटन माई डॉग, जिसने काटा था आपका. So it means that I am just showing the specificness of anything in this. Okay, now come to the indefinite article, that in what cases we have to use them. So look in this, that it is a very general rule that if you see any sound of consonant, if you see any, if you get any sound of consonant, so consonants ठीक are means many, so these are not only 21. So, generally we say that there are 21 consonant and 5 vowels, but it is not like this. So there are 24 consonants and 20 vowel sounds. So we have to identify the article on the basis of the sounds ना. There are many cases which you will see, आप बहुत सारे cases में देखेंगे आपका कि that consonant is coming, but despite it that we are putting n, we all know that n is used when we get the sound of vowel. So vowel means a, e, I, o, u. So these are the 5 letters which have almost 20 sounds, जिसकी 20 sounds आपकी almost होती हैं आपका. So we have to judge on that basis that which kind of sound it is. If it is creating a sound of vowel, then we have to use n, whether the consonant is coming in the starting of the noun. तो चाहे आपके noun के starting में आपका letter के sound है वो consonant हो आपका. Okay. Apart from this also, that you have to see that in, if you use some kind of exclamation mark है, if you say that what a nice car it is, so है ना, तो उस cases में भी हम आपका क्या करते हैं, we have to use that a or n, it depends upon the sound, we have already talked. तो sound के cases में हम use करते हैं आपका. Apart from this, that if we are showing something in numeral, तो अगर हम कहीं ना कहीं किसी चीज़ को है ना, that we are showing that this is the only thing. So if you see the 11 category, that she works in a hospital, so you are telling that a hospital means you are just showing that one hospital that where she is working. So it means, and you can see the ninth one all in this. Ninth, that few and little. If you use few and little in the sentences, it shows negative sense. So it means that there is nothing. So whether it is countable or uncountable, so for that case we have to use a with them, so that we can give a positive meaning. तो कहीं ना कहीं positive meaning अगर हमें देना है आपका, then we have to use that a with these a few or little. Clear? Apart from this, that we have to use article with the adjectives also. Sometimes you see that what a nice car it is, so you can see that nice is adjective also, and noun is car, and before that you can see that a is also coming. So these are the certain cases in which you use these indefinite articles. Apart from this, you can see that if you talk about the profession also, so professions के cases में भी आप क्या कर सकते हैं, that you have to use articles, and it depends upon the sound that which article we have to put a or n. Yeah. In addition to it, you have to see about the abbreviations also, like MLA, MP. Yeah. So these are the certain abbreviations which we have. So sometimes you get MLA, so it is M, which is consonant, but the sound is of E, है ना. So sound जो आपकी आ रही है आपका E की आ रही है आपका. So we have already talked के sounds जो हैं वो आपका almost 20 हैं आपका, but the vowels are only 5, and so these are the 5 letters only. So this is the thing which you have to understand now. Now come to the next, that is the definite article. So you have to understand this very carefully. So where we have to use the article, तो the articles का हम use कहाँ करते हैं आपका. So we have seen in the definition that if we talk about any specific things, अगर हम कहीं ना कहीं specific things की बात करते हैं, so then we have to use the article. So whether it is countable or uncountable, whether it is singular or plural, तो दोनों ही केसेस में आप हो सकता है आपका वो है ना, बट इट शोज द स्पेसिफिकनेस, देन वी कैन यूज द. एंड इन सम केसेस दैट वी आर रिपीटिंग द नाउन again and again in the sentences, so we cannot put means that indefinite article a or an. So in place of that we have to use the in the second case or second time or third time. So we have to use in that case also. Apart from this, if you talk about seas, if you talk about newspapers, if you talk about rivers, if you talk about seas, if you talk about mountains, deserts, countries, so in some countries also that like the United States of America, so है ना, तो in such cases you have to use them also. If you talk about the part of the day, अगर आप part of the day की बात करते हैं, so you will not say that I wake up in the morning, so you है ना, so in those cases also you use that in the morning, yeah, in the afternoon I will do this thing in the evening. So in such cases you have to use these articles also, means that article, that is the. And if you see the case of the superlative degree, and that he is the best person I have ever met in my life, that yeah, you can say that he is the tallest person in our country. So in these cases also we have to use. Clear? So these are the certain categories in which we have to use the article. Clear? Now come to the next thing, that is that where we cannot use the article. So हम किस cases में आपका articles को use नहीं कर सकते हैं आपका. So these are the some cases which we have to just remember. So what are these cases? So if we talk about continents or the countries or any सिटी है ना, तो बिफोर दैट वी पुट प्रिपोजिशन. अब जनरली देखते हैं, इफ़ आई से दैट आई लिव इन इंडिया, आई कैन नॉट से दैट आई लिव इन द इंडिया या आई लिव इन अ इंडिया. वी कैन नॉट पुट टू डिटर्मिनर्स एट द सेम टाइम. हम दो डिटर्मिनर्स को सेम टाइम पे नहीं रख सकते, बिकॉज आर्टिकल इज ऑल्सो डिटर्मिनर. इट इज़ कमिंग इन द कैटेगरी ऑफ द डिटर्मिनर. सो वी कैन नॉट यूज़, ठीक है, आर्टिकल टू टाइम्स बिफोर द नाउन. तो इसलिए हम आपका यहाँ पे नहीं रखेंगे आपको. सो इफ़ यू से दैट they live in European country, so it means that you are talking about any country, any continent, तो वहाँ पे आप यूज़ नहीं करेंगे आपका. if you talk about language, if you say that I speak Hindi, he speaks French, so before that you are not putting any article, the a or an, you are not putting definite, neither definite nor indefinite, कोई भी आर्टिकल आप पुट नहीं कर रहे हैं आपका, है ना. समटाइम्स इफ यू सी दैट ईयर्स ऑल्सो या डेज, सो बिफोर दैट यू विल नॉट पुट, है ना. यू से दैट ही कम्स ऑन मंडे, तो बिफोर दैट यू आर यूजिंग ऑन एंड दैट इज प्रीपोजिशन, तो उस केसेस में भी आप नहीं रख रहे हैं आपका. सो व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट ईयर्स ऑल्सो, तो आई, ठीक है, वॉज बॉर्न इन 1993. इफ़ यू से दैट आई एम लिविंग हियर, I started living here from 1992 to this. तो you are just specifying the prepositions here. तो आप वहाँ पे कहीं भी articles का use नहीं कर रहे हैं आपका. Clear? So you have to understand these certain things. If you talk about the universities, so in that case also you will not use. Clear? Yeah, if you talk about the vehicles, अगर आप कहें that I have come here by bus, you cannot say that by the bus or by a bus, so है ना, या by train आप यूज़ करते हैं. तो इस चीज़ों को आपको थोड़ा ध्यान रखना है कि that we will not use these articles with in such cases. Clear? So I hope that you have understood. So if you have liked it, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.